Hey, welcome back to another video. I want to introduce to you my beautiful baby boy. This is my own sculpt. This is the first sculpt that I am so proud of, and he is going to be turned into a silicone baby. So as you may have seen, I have this cutie patootie, and he is my little silicone baby. Now, I loved him so much that I wanted to make my own baby, and that is how this little guy came into creation. Now, you may think, how do you get to this point? Now, I am going to show you. So I'm going to put these babies aside, and these are where I started. So I'm gonna just give you a little bit of a background on how I got to my final sculpt, which I am so proud of, and I am so excited to turn him into silicone. And I'm gonna take you along the way with me. So let's go ahead and get started with my beginning process. So when I first started to sculpt, I decided I was going to just start making facial features, and this clay here is the Sculpey. I'm not sure which Sculpey it is, but it was really soft and super workable. So it was pretty easy to get to this point. So I just started to feel really confident, even though I've only been sculpting for about a month. So, excuse me. So this brings us to my first sculpt. You can see he has his little eyes, little nose, and little mouth, but he looks a little strange. So he is overbaked. Other than this one here, this is my first sculpt that I attempted to do. After I did this sculpt, I felt confident enough to move on to the body. So I made another head. You can see he is also overbaked, he's burnt. I just did not know how to heat up clay or cure the clay. So you can see from here to here, they look pretty similar, but there are some improvements in just the shape of the head, and you can just slowly see the improvements. He does have a pore spout because I really wanted to make him my silicone baby, but after making a few, I finally made my final baby, and well, he's the one we're gonna make into silicone. So I made his head and I made his body, and it's not super detailed or anything, but I just really wanted to make a baby. I really wanted to make a full baby because I knew that I can do it. So after I did this is one kind of clay here. I moved on to this baby here. Now he is a chunker. So you can see he's also burnt, he's dirty. I really just wanted to make another baby that I was going to make into silicone, but you know, it was not perfect. Making these babies is not easy, but I really love that I can see my work and my progress as I go along. So this is my first sculpt that I did, this is the second, and this is the third. I think just this baby alone took me about 8 to 9 hours. So it's difficult, and you may think, I mean, he looks terrible, like look how burnt he is. But it was a really big accomplishment for me, going from just a head to now we have a body, and kind of making it how I wanted him, my final baby, to be. So after I did these three here, I moved on to, I wanted to make a smaller baby. I was thinking these are a little bit too big. I want something a little bit smaller. So I made this one here. I haven't finished it, and I probably won't finish it but it'll be a nice template for when I do make a smaller baby in the future. So this one is my little headless baby. This was a different kind of clay, as you know, they're different colors, but this is a different kind of clay. So this one was a lot harder to work with. It needed a lot more kneading. I burnt it. So it's been a trial and error type of process. So I just keep them in this little container here, and yeah, you can see here I haven't cured these. Like, this is still like the clay itself. Like, this is not cured, but you can see where I was going, which direction I was going. Here's another one that I haven't quite done or cured, and I just stopped. This one here is another one. So you can see the faces are just so strange. This one, his nose broke off, but I was really excited to make these babies. So now I got to the point where I have a template. This is my template as to the shape of the head, the face, and you know, of course I'm going to add to it. But this is my final template here, and I want to show you guys a video on how to get to. This is the most important part, is actually getting to a point where you're confident in the head shape, and then you can start sculpting the face. So I really want to show you guys, just in case you're curious or if you want to make your own baby. So all this brings us to my beautiful baby boy that you have already seen. Look how precious he is, and you can see even just from my first baby, or this one here, how much of a difference there is. So he actually has little hands and his little feet. He is anatomically correct, so that's why he is wearing his little diaper. But he is going to be my first baby, and I'm so excited to show you guys this, and hopefully I can keep my sculpt and he doesn't break in the process of making my silicone doll. But I'm so excited to show you. So hopefully you like this little baby, and if you really are interested, I am planning on selling my silicone babies as well. Of course, once I master it. I haven't done it yet, but I'm just super excited to start. I mostly have everything that I need to make him into silicone. I'm waiting on a few more stuff, a few more products. There is a ton of products that you need to make a silicone baby. So if you're familiar with that, you already know. But I just wanted to show you guys, and this is what I have been up to. It is not easy. There's trial and error when it comes to this. So hopefully you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video. I just wanted to say hello and show you my beautiful little creation here. Look how cute he is. All right, guys, that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.